carboxylic acid, you know that, and carboxylic acid is the class of weak acid. It is the class of weak acid. What do you mean by weak acid? Weak acid क्या होते हैं? Yes, weak acid are acids which are partially or not fully ionized. Partially or not fully ionized in aqueous solution. Like this is the ethanoic acid, this is weak acid. Okay, this is partially ionized in aqueous solution to form CH3COO negative plus H positive. Aqueous sign, and this is aqueous liquid होगा ये. Okay, because at the same time all three species are present in the solution mixture, so that's why we say that these are the weak acid, partially ionized, ethanoate, and very little amount of ethanoic acid dissociate. Suppose we have 100 particles of acid, so only one particle is going to dissociate, right? So this is ionization of weak acid. This is ionization of weak acid, or it is represented with reversible arrow. Okay. Now you know the all physical properties are just like acid. Physical properties, this is ionization. Sour taste, it turns blue litmus paper red. Or its pH is weak acid is from 3 to 5, 3 to 6. Okay,
Yes.
this is the pH of acid. Now what is carboxylic acid? This is an organic acid. In general formula is CN H2N plus 1 COOH, where N1 is equal to 0, N2 is equal to 1, or N3 is equal to 2. Only while deriving the formula of the carboxylic acid, always take one less carbon from the acid which you are going to derive. For example, if we want to derive methanoic acid, so because this is C1, so C0, H2 multiplied by 0 plus 1, COOH. हाँ क्यों? ये 2 0 कैंसिल हो गया, 0 भी कैंसिल हो गया, तो फॉर्मूला इज़ HCOOH, क्योंकि हमें 1 कार्बन चाहिए ना, क्योंकि अगर 1 कार्बन होगा तभी तो मेथेनोइक एसिड होगा. अगर इससे ज़्यादा हो जाएगा तो फिर तो वो एथेनोइक एसिड बन जाएगा. अगर हम C इज़ इक्वल टू 1 नहीं लेते, इसको हम 1 0 ना रखते, तो वो एथेनोइक एसिड बन जाता. ठीक है, तो इसलिए हमें मेथेनोइक एसिड बनाना, तो उसके लिए हमें C1 इज़ इक्वल टू 0. तो देयर इज़ अनदर एग्जांपल, एथेनोइक एसिड. structural formula is like this: H C double bond O and OH. This is the structural formula. और दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू ड्रॉ, क्योंकि ये बहुत ज़्यादा आते हैं एग्ज़ाम में, तो ये क्लियर होना चाहिए आपका। अगर आपका एथेनोइक एसिड है तो वी आर टेकिंग C2 इज इक्वल टू 1, ठीक है, एंड C2 सॉरी 1 C1 H2 multiplied by 1 plus 1 COOH, and this is CH3 COOH, and this is the structural formula, displayed structural C double bond O, O and H. Is that clear? And molecular formula is C2 H4O2. This is molecular formula. And empirical formula क्या बनेगा?
CH2.
Empirical formula will be CH2O, ठीक है। अब सिमिलरली प्रोपेनोइक एसिड, C3, but we are taking 2, okay, N is 2, C2 H2 into 3 2 plus 1 COOH, and this is 2 to the 4 plus 1 C2H5 COOH. So this is ethanoic acid, propanoic acid, okay. Now 2 carbon, 1 carbon is there, and molecular formula will be C3 H6O2, ठीक है, and the empirical formula will be same, क्योंकि इसको simple multiple हो ही नहीं सकता, तो empirical formula will remain same, C3H6O2. Is that clear?
Yes.
So next is butanoic acid. Butanoic acid is C4 carbon, C4 acid.
C3
हाँ, C4 है, but we are taking C3, ठीक है, तो C3 H2 2 multiplied by 3 plus 1 COOH. The formula is C3H7 COOH. Molecular formula will be C4H8O2. Empirical formula हो सकता है?
Yes.
हाँ बोलो।
C2 H4O.
C2H4O. Is that clear?
Yes.
So this is then structural formula is C. लास्ट पे आप डबल बॉन्ड लगा दो लास्ट कार्बन पे, उसके साथ OH, और रेस्ट जो है वो आर सेटिस्फाइड बाय हैविंग with hydrogen bond. Is that clear?
Yes.
This is butanoic acid. So in this way you can derive all other carboxylic acid in homologous series, ठीक है। So this is the structural and derivation of the formula of carboxylic acid. The next you have, that is chemical properties. Chemical properties of carboxylic acid. First property is the same which we have done: alcohol, alkane, combustion, complete combustion and incomplete combustion. कंप्लीट कंबस्शन, एक्सेस ऑफ ऑक्सीजन, ठीक है,
Yes.
एंड इनकम्प्लीट
Limited.
लिमिटेड सप्लाई ऑफ ऑक्सीजन. For example, CH3COOH plus oxygen to form carbon dioxide and water in complete combustion. ठीक है,
जी.
रेस्ट रिएक्शंस आर सेम, सारे उसी तरह सेम होंगे जैसे आपने पहले पढ़ा है. अब कार्बन जो है वो 2 है और हाइड्रोजन 4 है, 2 ओवर हेयर, 2 to the 4 and 2 6, 2 over here and 2 oxygen over here, 4, 2 to the 4 and 2 6. Is that clear?
Yes.
So this is complete combustion in which carbon dioxide and water are formed. ठीक है,
Yes.
complete combustion. And rest जो है वो do practice on your notebook. ठीक है. Similarly, incomplete combustion is like if we have C2H5, COOH. This is propanoic acid plus oxygen to form carbon monoxide and water. 2 and 3 carbon is 3 and hydrogen 5 and 1 6, 3H2O, 3 oxygen and 6 oxygen, or 3 oxygen over here, 3 oxygen over here, and 2 and 2 4. तो 2 आपके पास बैलेंस, 2 2 ज़ा एंड आपके पास वो आ जाएगा.
इसमें मल्टीप्लाई 2 करके कर सकते हैं.
हाँ, ठीक है. सो द सेम रिएक्शन जो है वो नेक्स्ट कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड के भी सेम रिएक्शन होंगे. ठीक है. दिस इज़ फर्स्ट केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज, कंप्लीट कंबस्शन एंड इनकम्प्लीट कंबस्शन.